Okay, so check this out. This is my homemade RC controller. I've got a HC05 Bluetooth module in there with an Arduino Nano hooked up to the two joysticks and the TFT display on the front. I cut some expanded PVC sheet to shape. Got some 3D printed spacers, a nice 3D printed surround for the display, and everything's all hooked up. Got the battery pack on the back there with some rechargeable batteries, and there it is. Quite pleased with it. I've written a bit of code to get started. So if I pop this on, get a nice little logo. Nothing will happen until you click one of the joysticks down, and there you can see I've got a display programmed in to show the joystick positions. So you can see the left joystick with the little red dot moving around. Same with the right hand joystick. There we go. I've got this all programmed up to send commands out to the robot as per the test run video, so not much has changed there yet. I've got the encoders on the robot, and that'll be the next video. So I'm going to be testing out some different ways of controlling wheel speed with the encoders and joystick inputs. So not much more for this video, other than I think this is looking really good, really promising. And if you like my videos, hit like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.